Today we are talking about line of aim and how to connect your cue with line of aim. The best way to start with the line of aim is to go to your balk line. This is our D line, balk line, and you can see it is a straight line. So line of aim is always a line, a virtual line that always exists on every single shot. Make sure you understand the concept of line of aim first, and then you move to the next level and to the advanced game. So in this case, let me explain that to you. For more details, if you are really interested, AQ Snooker Mentor has launched an application, mobile application that is available in Google Play Store, which will be available on iOS later. So you can download that, and there are more detailed training coaching videos in our AQ Snooker Mentor coaching app. So you can download it from Google Play Store. Link is in description. So now let me explain quickly that the line of aim, you can see this is a white line, and it's underneath the red, and then it's crossing the white ball, and it's a one connection that it has developed. So what you need to do is make sure that you connect yourself with this line of aim. Remove the reds, remove the white, remove all the balls, and just start getting into this line of aim correctly, and make sure you are in the dead center of this line of aim, because if you're not in the dead, you're across. You need to work on your stance and basics and your things, technicalities, to correct yourself. So once you are done, make sure you do it few more times, and then I'm sure you will after some time, not first day, 2-3 days time, you will be doing a good job, and then you can place those balls, and then you can start doing same practice. Don't go for just potting straight away. Make sure you're technically strong so you can move further to the next level. You see, so getting into the line of aim is also the part of pre-shot routine. So for more about pre-shot routine and other things, you need to download AQ Snooker Mentor application that has a snooker coach and training coach separate entities, and has many free features, and it's a free to download. So if you have any questions about this video, about your connection to line of aim, you can always send me a video, and I'll comment on that for you guys. So thank you very much. Take care. Bye.